The pigs storm the sea. And then, an even more curious behavior. They piggy paddle out to the waiting boats. They weigh between 45 and 90 kilograms each, and they're not exactly hydrodynamic. But what these pigs lack in speed, they make up for in determination. In the last 10 years, the legend of Pig Beach has spread far beyond the Bahamas. They've become the biggest single attraction in the Exuma Keys. The sight, sounds, and smells of boats and humans draw the pigs out of the bush and into the water. This isn't the first time stories of swimming pigs have amazed humans. During a World War I naval battle, an attacking British vessel rescued a pig swimming away from a sinking German ship. He was nicknamed Tirpitz and became the official mascot of the HMS Glasgow.